we're going to talk about the two major forms of literature, prose and poetry. These are the two common ways writers use to express their feelings, ideas, and stories. At the end of this discussion, you will going to understand what is prose and poetry and their different types. So let's begin.
First, let us talk about prose. Prose is a literary piece that is written in ordinary spoken language. This means it follows the natural way on how people talk in everyday conversation. It does not use our specific rhyme or pattern like in poetry. The prose came from the Latin word prosa, which means straightforward. This tells us that prose is direct and simple in form. Now that we understand what this prose is, let us move on its types.
So there are two types of prose. First is we have fiction. So when we say fiction, it is a highly imaginative type of story in which the story is created based on the writer's imagination. So examples of fictions include the short story and novels like Cinderella's Beauty and the Beast and many more. So whenever you read a story that is made up of imaginary, that is fiction. So next, let us discuss the second type of prose.
The second type of prose is nonfiction. So unlike the fiction, nonfiction focuses on the real events, real people, and real information. One example of nonfiction is the travelogue. So the travelogue, it mainly talks about the experiences of the person who wrote the travelogue. So it is the experiences that actually happens or actually occurs in real life situation.
Now let's talk about poetry. Poetry refers to expression written in verse. It has rhythm, rhyme, line, and stanzas. The word poetry came from the Greek word poesis, which means making. This shows that poetry is carefully crafted with artistic style. After understanding what is poetry, let us now learn its type.
Types of poetry. The first type of poetry is the lyric poetry. Lyric poetry was originally meant to be sung. It usually expresses personal feelings and emotions. The examples of lyric poetry include sonnets and odes. So when a poem focuses on emotions and can be sung, it is usually a lyric poetry.
Let us now move to the next type of poetry. We have here a narrative poetry, which is it tells a story in a written form of poetic form. And it tells an events or it follows an events or sequence. For example of this is we have here epics and ballads. In short, if a poetic tells a story, it is a narrative poetry.
The third type of poetry is dramatic poetry. Dramatic poetry, it is written in dramatic form or uses dramatic techniques. It often shows or presents thought and feelings of the characters. Examples include soliloquy, character sketch, and monologue. So if the poem sounds like someone is speaking in dramatic situation, it is called dramatic poetry.